Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're checking out a really handy tool called Bid Assist. If you've ever lost a potential customer because they couldn't find an easy way to contact you, this might be exactly what you need. Bid Assist is a simple widget you add to your website that puts all your communication channels in one button. So instead of forcing visitors to email you or use just one chat option, they can reach you on WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, Slack, or even a custom form, whatever works best for them. Key features and benefits: 30+ channels in one widget. Your visitors can pick the platform they're most comfortable with. It could be WhatsApp, Instagram, or even Discord. No more losing leads because you only had one contact option. Works on any website. Yes, it's built for WordPress, but you can add it to Shopify, Webflow, Wix, or any platform with just a tiny script. Super easy, no coding skills needed. Customizable look and feel. Change the colors, position, and icons to match your brand. You can even add your own logo or a fun little GIF. Instead of looking like a cookie-cutter chatbot, it feels like part of your website. Extra engagement tools. It's not just chat. You can add a knowledge base, FAQs, feedback forms, and even trigger call-to-action messages to keep visitors engaged. That means fewer emails back and forth and happier customers who find answers instantly. Fast, secure, and GDPR-friendly. It loads quickly, doesn't slow down your site, and doesn't track personal data or use cookies. So you and your visitors can feel safe using it. Here's the kicker. Most tools like this charge $20 to $50 per month per site. With the AppSumo lifetime deal, you pay $49 one time for 5 sites. And if you manage client websites, you can stack codes for more, even unlimited sites. That's massive savings if you're used to subscription tools. I'll drop a link in the description so you can check out the AppSumo lifetime deal before it's gone. Thanks for watching.